Hey Pretty Birdies! Today we're going to talk about our Rising Arc Eyebrow Gel. This gel comes in 3 creamy shades. Rising Arc has a long-wearing and lightweight formula, so much so that you won't even realize it's there. It's smudge-proof, fade-proof, and waterproof, leaving you worry-free all day and night. Fill in and define your brows effortlessly. With this multi-purpose formula, it provides a natural color while setting your brow hairs in place. You can also use this gel with our high standards double-sided eyebrow brush. It'll be your brow's best friend. The angled brush side perfectly creates hair-like strokes, giving a natural appearance, while the spoolie helps to brush out and evenly distribute the product. A super useful tip for cleaning up underneath the brows is to grab our Undercover concealer in one shade slightly lighter than your skin tone and apply following the natural curve of your brow. This will give a natural highlight and the illusion of a lifted brow. For a simpler look, use a shade that matches your skin tone to hide any stray hairs above the brow.